doing viral TikTok recipes. We're trying out all the ASMR, crunchy, delicious, so satisfying recipes. I'm joined here by my beautiful twin sister, Ashley.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? And I'm Amber. And today, we're really on the beautiful twin sister energy because we started a podcast.
Our podcast.
Yay! We've been hinting at this for a bit, but now we can officially announce the Beautiful Twin Sisters podcast out in the world for you guys to listen to on Spotify, Apple. We even have a video version on YouTube.
You'll see us wearing matching outfits. You will see us divulging all of our life secrets.
If you guys aren't familiar with the Beautiful Twin Sisters lore, I'm sorry.
But then figure it out.
Figure it out. We were walking like this down the street in Brooklyn, and then this guy goes, "Beautiful twin sisters," and we're like, what? So of course we had to start a podcast with that name. So.
And we owe him our life. I used to have a podcast a long time ago that Amber was on basically all the time. She was pretty much my co-host, and now we are like literally co-hosts.
Yeah.
So
if you guys have cleaning to do around the house, turn on our podcast while you're doing it, okay?
if you have laundry to fold,
Put on the BTSP, the Beautiful
BTSP.
Twin Sisters podcast.
Yep. Link down below. Go check it out.
Yeah.
It's live. This is actually monumental in our lives.
I've been compiling some recipes that look quite delicious. We have tanghulu, we have parmesan puffy crisps, lavashak,
Period.
and something else, I forget, but there's a lot. We're gonna start out with lavashak. Have you guys heard of this? Have you heard of this, Ashley?
No, could you please enlighten me?
You're actually lying because you ate all of it before we made the video. Lavashak is a Persian little snack. It's basically like a super satisfying, sour, ooey gooey snack, and we're gonna eat it with pomegranate, and it looks quite busting and delicious. This is our lavashak that we got from our friend. She ordered it from a Persian grocery website, but Ashley ate it all.
And what?
And what? Now we don't have anything to use. Stop it! We just have a little bit of the leftover sauce left. This is so awkward. And I bought fruit leather from Target because that's essentially what it is. I know it's not authentic, but
Persian people are rolling their eyes right now.
I know, I'm sorry guys. We got strawberry fruit leather.
It's everywhere, but.
Oh my god. You need to clean that up after.
Hey, did you know that ligma and also bofa?
Oh, have you heard of the pomegranate theory?
Maybe? What is it?
The pomegranate theory is like, you see how your significant other opens a pomegranate, and if they open it gently, it's a green flag, and if they like... Why do you scream like that? Wow. Oh, you're such a green flag. No.
Bro! I'm gonna end myself.
Okay, now she's angry. I'm gonna open up my fruit leather. I'm gonna roll this up, and then you just dip it in the sauce. Wow. Okay, and then now this acts as the glue to dip in the pomegranate. Here I have all my pomegranate loaded up.
Cheers. Cheers.
Mmm. Ooh, the crunch of the pomegranate is so good. And the sauce is so sour.
I love the sauce.
It's really good.
Dip, dip, dip.
Mmm. That's gross.
This love is, trust me. This tastes so good.
Oh, that's like addicting. Delicious. This originally came with the fruit leather rolls, and I think the only difference was that it was like way more sour. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is good. Delicious.
It's like pomegranate molasses.
Oh, thanks for eating all of it. Beasted! Beasted! For our next recipe, we have chocolate jawns by Cooking with Linja. They're her most famous recipe, I'm pretty sure.
Really?
And they're just like fruit yogurt bites covered in chocolate. And last night I made the yogurt fruit mixture in the middle. So today we're ready. Let's pull this out.
Can I eat it right now?
I beasted this. No, you can't eat it. We have to dip it in chocolate.
Please, please,
No, no, no.
please. Mmm. Mmm.
Let me try that. Mmm. Ooh,
Do you remember when we were little, we used to mix raspberry with whipped cream and it tastes like that. And then we tried to sell it on the side of the road like lemonade and no one bought it.
Yeah.
So that was devastating.
That tastes like froyo.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's melt the chocolate. Chocolate is out the microwave. It's beautiful. Okay, that's more than enough. Stop it!
Damn, that hardened so fast because it's frozen.
And you left an ugly bald spot.
Bald spots are not ugly. Wow, okay.
Here, let me do it. I'll show you how it's done. These are starting to melt.
I feel like a drizzle would be.
I feel like you should mind your business, hold the camera, keep your mouth shut. Oh my god.
Whoa, your hair looks so good.
Whoa! No!
Yeah.
Oh
Make a new one,
my
make a new one,
god,
make a new
it's
one.
turning
That's
into
fully
fudge.
burnt.
I know you want to eat this. Poop girl. We're just gonna drizzle these now for funsies. Oh.
Kind of working though.
Yeah, except for the big blob. Oh my god!
Maybe the first blob like literally just started like above.
Okay,
the
you're
paper.
so right, you're so right, yeah. Oh,
There
true,
you
true.
go.
Yeah.
Just like waste all of it. Okay.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wow.
Here are our chocolate jawns. We're gonna put them back in the freezer for a little bit just so they can reharden, and we'll try these later. I've seen on TikTok that you can take Parmesan rinds, microwave them, and they turn into these like puffy, crispy guys. I got these at Whole Foods for only $3 because it's like a food waste thing. Like this is usually a leftover ingredient, but I'm gonna microwave it and eat it. Ooh, smells very cheesy.
I smell it. Okay.
Here's our little Parmesan rinds before they've been microwaved. They're dense, they're inedible. Now, they go in for 1 minute. Oh my god, they're done! That's not the angle you did it from.
No, it was. Trust me, it was. Just
Oh my
open
gosh.
this fine.
Oh my god, they're puffy!
Whoa.
Do you hear the bubbling?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that texture. I love to ASMR on this bitch. I have to burp. This is about to be the realest crunch of all time. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Oh. Actually, the outer edge doesn't puff up enough for me to like bite through it. The part that does puff up is really good though.
So just the regular Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, I think this works better with actual Parmesan, not the rinds. This is like, the rind still isn't edible. It's kind of like a semi-fail. Ooh, okay, 5 out of 10. Next, what we've all been waiting for, specifically me, because I've been dying to make this, tanghulu. We went to Japan and I tried tanghulu for the first time and it was so good. And then they had a Japan Fest in New York City and I ordered literally 10 of them.
Even though they are from Taiwan, I believe.
Yeah, I think they're from-
But they were just there.
Yeah, but it's super popular in Korea now and it's heading over to the States. I've been dying to make it. Apparently it's like kind of impossible and people say they don't really get it until like their 3rd or 4th try. But I feel like we're different. I've watched so many videos. I am the tanghulu. Like we got this. There's no way we mess this up.
We are the tanghulu.
We're gonna do some oranges, grapes, and strawberries. I feel like grapes are the main thing you see, and they're my favorite one. First, we just gotta make sure the fruit is all thoroughly dried. We don't want any water on there. Here we have all of our fruits. They're nice and dried off. Not an ounce of moisture on any of them. And we're gonna take these skewers.
Oh, that's kind of beautiful.
That is beautiful. Okay.
Looks like a butterfly wing.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
I'm a poet.
Now you're gonna take a big flat pan. The recipe is 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. We're gonna do 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water. Going in the pan. Whoa, that's so much sugar. 1/2 cup of water going in. Medium-high heat until it starts bubbling up. We're gonna let this boil. Oh my god, I love it.
Thanks.
That's beautiful.
Hello? Is this for me? Is this Ashy?
Wait, where does it say Ashy?
Right here?
Now we'll have another tanghulu eater. You don't want to mix this because it'll start forming sugar crystals, so it won't be nice and clear anymore. Oh my god, but I'm scared. It's so bubbly. I'm gonna turn it down.
We have a guest
Kelly!
that just came to the door.
What are you guys doing?
Have you ever heard of tanghulu before?
No.
This?
Dango.
It looks like dango the mochi. No.
Cultured. Skewers. Meat always tastes worse on skewers. Hot take.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, well, good thing that's not meat. Well, yeah, now they're gonna.
Oh, what happened?
What? No, 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 no! Let me check if this is ready now. Oh my god, it's thick now. It's thick. The chaos.
Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
We're filming right now. How are you?
Could be better.
Wait, what happened?
I got a flat tire.
So now are you just sitting in the car waiting for like AAA or something?
I tried to switch the tire out, but then the wheel wouldn't come off the axle because it's rusted or something. So now I'm just sitting in a grocery store parking lot. I'm just bored. I have 40 minutes before they come.
Oh, okay.
Andrew, guess what we're making?
Hamburger pizza. You're making the sugar candy thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the ones we had. Those are good.
Pray for Andrew.
If it actually isn't good, I'm gonna be upset. Dead twin.
Oh my god, immediately hardened. Whoa.
L.
L.
Oh, it's ready. We gotta go. We gotta go. First tanghulu, we're going in. Oh my god, no, it's not spinning all the way.
You need to spoon it over it.
Oh my god, give me a spoon then. This is so scary. We messed up. Oh no. We use natural sugar, like organic sugar, so it was already kind of brown. But now I think it's actually a little bit overdone. Ooh, this is really interesting. Ice bath. Okay, that's so awesome. Why is this steaming? I hate it. I thought this was gonna be so easy. Now it goes over here on the parchment paper, and let's go again. Let's do this again. Oh no. Oh no.
It's looking disastrous.
Oh no. I'm so confused right
It's so
now.
brown.
Why is this so brown? This is like horrendous. I am dead. I am dead. This is the worst day of my life. This is a nightmare. How do people do this? Literally, how could you do this? This is so hard. It's smoking. It's smoking. Ah, wow.
Strawberry.
Okay, we're gonna let these sit for a little bit. Wow, okay. The way that we thought we would make all of these, that's
I
actually
know.
so awkward. It's time to try the cursed tanghulu. For reference, here's the expectation, and here is what we came up with. This is our reality. It's hot.
What?
That is like a warm grape. Oh. Ooh. Good crunch. The sugar is just like not right. It tastes like caramel. Like it tastes like burnt sugar.
Cheers, guys. The orange is warm.
Yeah.
This is also like cavity central.
Yeah. It really sticks to your teeth.
It like tastes pretty good, but yeah, it needs to like cool down for a bit. I do love sugar though.
Crunch. Ooh, this one tastes the best for sure.
Really?
Yeah, this is so much sugar. Dang.
Ah! It tastes really good though.
Yeah, our tanghulu gets a 2 out of 10. This was a flop. I don't get it, but I love tanghulu. I love like actual good, thin, crispy tanghulu, but this was not it.
Leave it to the professionals.
Major fail. Anyways, cheers. Touching tips. We should have been eating like this from the
It's
start.
better by itself.
Actual tanghulu is better than this, but this is better than this. So
I feel ill.
yeah, me too.
Kelly?
Kelly boo boo. Kelly sweetie pie. You wanna try it? It's so good.
Whoa, this is scary.
You don't know how to eat it satisfyingly. You have to like bite it in half and then eat it. And then you can.
Let me try this one.
Do you hate it?
Let me try this one now.
Now we're gonna try.
Ew. Oh, nice.
I'm being rewarded for like loud eating.
Yeah.
This is really weird.
Let's end on a good note with Linja's chocolate jawns. I feel like they should be hardened by now. Oh, they look divine. These look delicious. Ooh, that sounds good. Cheers. Ooh, ooh.
It's actually so good. The raspberry on the inside tastes so good.
Wow, this is like a luxurious snack.
This is like my new favorite snack. This is so good. Oh my god, what is that?
You got all over your face.
That. I'm like a little toddler. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's all over that side. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, for real.
Rest in peace, Linja. Chocolate drizzled one?
I actually kind of like the one that's covered in chocolate more.
Really? The aftermath. Yay! You still have chocolate all over you. You look like a baby.
And I'm gonna drink a red Gatorade and put it all over my lips too after this.
Okay, well, that's it for all of our TikTok recipes today. If you guys have any favorite TikTok, oh gosh, actually I don't even care. I was about to ask you guys to comment your favorite TikTok foods, but I'm like, actually, I literally don't care.
What the? Okay, now everyone add in like every single one of your favorite foods since Amber doesn't care.
This was so epic. Make sure to check out the Beautiful Twin Sisters podcast.
Yes.
It's gonna be hype. This is the start of something crazy, and we're so excited to share with you guys, so make sure to go give it a listen.
Yes.
We'll have episodes every week.
You better believe it. You better believe it.
And do not get it twisted.
Do not get it twisted.
Beautiful Twin Sisters, out.